Did you know that you can make money online? Well, you clicked the right video. Because in today's video, I will teach you how to earn money online just by watching some videos. And what's great about this is, all you need is an internet connection, a smartphone, a laptop, a tablet. Any of those gadgets will definitely do. Also, this website that I will be revealing today is not yet revealed in other countries. You will know this website once you watch this whole video, okay? Now, I suggest for you to finish this video until the very end because I don't want you to waste any time here. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. So what I'm about to show you is a Dispersed website where you can simply watch videos or video advertisements and make money in just a few minutes with no skill or experience required. Simply click play, watch the video, and make money, and stay with me until the very end, okay? Because I will be showing you a total of 3 websites with a lot of real life. For example, to avoid making a mistake, you must first follow all the steps that I will show you in this video, precisely how we'll do it, and then try it out yourself. Take a look at how you may make real money from your favorite brands like working online. Step 1 is to just choose a few video advertisements and they will tell you how much time you should spend watching those videos and they will reward you. Now this is on a daily basis. After watching these videos, you can earn extra bonus money by answering some extremely simple questions. That is totally fine. Don't worry, I will show you precisely how to do so as well as how to conduct a quick survey so you earn anywhere from $0.50 to $3 per video. Now here's a bonus tip I'd like to share with you. As you can see, they're going to pay you an extra $1 for every friend you refer to, which is another additional source of income provided by this website. You can also download offers from the brands you love. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to learn everything in greater detail for this website. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. Once you have $10 or more, you can start cashing out your money, and the best thing is that you can get real cash and real money in as little as 24 hours. This company has paid out over 6,000 cash and rewards in the first year. And this is a brand new website that no one has ever heard of before, and no one else seems to be talking about it. As you can see, getting paid to watch video advertising and completing online surveys is really simple. They provide you with a variety of payment options too. For example, you can select to get your payment by PayPal or bank transfer, a gift card, or donation. I want you to pay close attention and take a look at it. It is a free application that is 100% free and available in the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. So you can simply download this app for free and start using it right away. To sign up for this opportunity, all you need is a mobile phone and an email account. Now have a look at these and other special tips for you, such as using the promo code FAQ during the sign up to earn an extra $1 for free. Simply by creating a free account. Let me quickly show you inside the Google Play Store now. The logo looks like this, and this website is called adwallet.com. Make sure you reach for it and download the correct applications that will now show you your balance when you log onto your AdWallet account on your phone. They will show you new videos and advertisements that you can watch and earn money online based on how much money you've made on this app. For example, as you can see here, there are 3 new videos available for you to watch. You can earn up to $30 for each video you watch, okay? You can withdraw your money once you've earned it by viewing advertisements. Now let's go on to the second website, Boxinside.com, where you may earn money online like viewing advertisements and be paid every 10 seconds, and it's extremely simple. And what you only have to do is browse all of the different advertisers' website and you can cash out your money instantly within 24 hours and receive your payment right away. The best part about this website is that you can start cashing out your money as soon as you reach $2. Even watching that advertisement on their page Currency Money is a really basic and easy way for anyone to generate money on this website because they handle many currencies. This website rewards you via a variety of payment methods. There are various payment choices available such as Payza, ADV Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, and so on. Now these are some more examples of advertising that you see if I click on this one. Now I'm gonna be taking you to this website. I only have to stay for like 30 seconds before closing it out and they will credit you with all the money and you can do it again and again. For example, when you click on the next advertisement, you will be taken to the next website where you will have to stay for another 30 seconds in order. It is so important that you complete the task correctly in order to be rewarded before we go any deeper. If you want to register for this website, enter the registration page and click the register button and you will be taken to this page. When you get there, you must enter your email address and username as well as the currency in which you want to be paid with. You must then select your method for a variety of options, entering your birth year, and they think I declare to have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service. Take advantage of these opportunities since they will provide you with even more opportunities to generate money in the future. You can register for a free account by clicking this button once you've completed the sign-up process. Now for the third website, where you can make money online by viewing commercials, but you can also earn money by conducting online activities such as viewing advertisements. Now I will show you how to create a worldwide account, okay? If you're coming from outside the United States. Let me show you all the people who are making money on this website as an example. You can see here $1.20, $2, $1, $3, and $2 over and over again. As you can see, people are cashing out actual money on this website on a daily basis after you register for your free account. You may begin watching advertisements and performing various basic tasks such as surveys to begin earning money, which you can then take and cash out. There are a variety of methods to earn money on this website, including seeing advertisements, taking surveys, and participating in contests. Authors listen to music, performing basic tasks, and referring others to earn money. On this website, there is a total of 7 different ways to generate money, but in this video, I'm going to focus on seeing advertising because it's actually quite simple and requires no investment. If you want to sign up for this, simply click on the sign up button and you will proceed to this page and enter your full name, password, username, and email address before clicking the register button. You will find different methods to generate money online like viewing advertising. Once you check into your account, there are numerous popular and well-known companies such as AdClickWall, Personal Wall, and Extra PTC Ads. There are so many various ways to make money. So many different websites all in one location that you can click on to get started. Another really useful thing I'd like to offer you is that when you go to this website and join up, you should concentrate on Aggregate Wall since they pay the most money and ClicksWall is the second from you should concentrate on. Make sure to pay attention to both the click walls and antique walls. I will give you one example, okay? You will be taken to this page if you click on the ad gate wall. We can then begin by viewing advertisements. For example, this is the first advertisement, right? You do not need to click on anything, simply ignore them and ensure that you stay on the page for at least 30 seconds. After which, you will be credited with all the funds in your account. Let me give you another example. When you click on this clicks wall and go to this page, you must look for different advertisements and click on them to begin earning money. For example, if I click on these ads, a new browser will open as shown above. Again, you don't have to click on anything. Simply ignore them and ensure that you stay on the website for at least 30 seconds in order to credit the account with the money. Finally, for those of you who are still watching, I want to share with you an additional tip, okay? You may earn extra money by just referring others to this website. You can see here that you can obtain a commission of 20%, 40%, or even 100% simply recommending other people to success boxes, and when they make money, you can get money as well. This is an excellent passive income that is in addition to merely viewing advertising to make money essentially. This is another additional technique for making money on this website, and that is how you can make money online. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!